were his children. However, when he moved us into a position of leadership and said, this is what you ought to do, and then he made it clear to everyone like you, these are my kids, this is their position, this is what he do. Not only did we have that authority, now we had the power to execute. Big difference. Some of us, however, have authority and we are executing that before time. Or we're executing that wrongly. Let me say that again. We all have authority, but authority needs to be managed. Authority needs to be instructed. It needs to be released in order for you to use it. And once you can use and execute your authority, that is power. But God gave us the authority, and he told us exactly how to use it in Genesis 1:28. When we start using it differently, we are misusing our authority. Therefore, we're misusing our power. And each of us have the power to use our authority the minute that Jesus Christ died and the minute that he left us with someone. Who did he leave us with? He has given us the power to do everything that we are supposed to do. We must know this. We must understand this. You and I have the authority and we have the power to be so great. We cannot do it on our own, because it's going to be a misuse and abuse of the authority that we have as women. Women, you have the power to rule. These are facts. Women, you have vision. And let me stop right here for a second. Look at my parents. I love to use my parents as example, because my dad was a visionary. It didn't mean that my mom didn't have a vision. Didn't mean that my brother and I didn't have a vision. But he had a vision, and so did we. However, when you look at unity, that's why I say, why can't your vision and my vision come together for a greater cause? That's why the two of them were like white on rice. They were like glue. Because they complemented each other. They were compatible for each other. She knew who she was as a woman. He knew who he was as a man. And there was no confusing the two. There was no confusing the two. So when my brother and I watched that, and now here we are, having to share the same baton. I know who I am as a woman. He knows who he is as a man. And he and I are not competing with each other. He has a vision. I have a vision of how we would like to see things done and carried on from this point forward. But we collaborate. It doesn't make him any more or any better than me. And it doesn't make me any better than him. But know that you were given a vision. You were given a purpose. You have a passion that you would like to see come forth. Bring that passion out and then find other people who have similar passions who can help you. Stop competing with other females. Stop competing with your husband. Stop competing with your man. Stop competing with siblings. Competition is the worst thing in the kingdom, and it just should not be there.